Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this show tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix Wi-Fi and no internet connection on iPhone in iOS 18. So let's start the video without wasting any time. First of all, make sure that your internet connection is good and stable and working properly. Sometimes this problem occurs due to a network error. Solution 1. Forget and reconnect to the network. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In the settings menu, tap on Wi-Fi. In the Wi-Fi page, tap on More Info button next to the network you are using. On the next page, select Forget this network at the top of the page. Select Forget in the pop-up menu to confirm your action. Wait for few seconds and rejoin the network by selecting it and entering the correct password again. Solution 2. Reset network settings. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. In General settings, scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, select Reset. Then select Reset Network Settings in the pop-up menu. Enter your iPhone passcode. Then select Reset Network Settings to confirm that you want to reset your network settings. Solution 3. Delete VPN. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. In General settings, scroll all the way down and tap on VPN and Device Management. Here, if your VPN is connected, then remove it. Solution 4. Refresh your Wi-Fi router. If your problem is not resolved, then refresh or restart your Wi-Fi router once. Sometimes this problem is caused by a weak signal, so refresh your Wi-Fi router.